Hey everyone, today I'm going to discuss what defines a programming language, what the purpose of a programming language really is, and what some parts of a programming language include. Let's get right into it. To start off, what is a programming language? While many have argued the true definition of a programming language, many have agreed that there's a few requirements that a programming language must follow and fit into. There are two main requirements that they must fit into, and here they are. To start off, it must have a purpose, a task, a use. In most programming language, that is to tell the computer what to do. The following requirement is a question of the language. That question is who does the language communicate between? Most languages, such as English, Spanish, Chinese, are used to communicate between a person and a person. A programming language, however, is used to communicate between a person and a computer. So to sum that all up, the first requirement is the purpose of the computer, and that purpose should be to tell the computer what to do. The second requirement is the target, and the target must be a computer. Now, what is the purpose of a programming language? Well, this is pretty straightforward, but the purpose of a programming language is to communicate between a person and a computer. Now, what are the parts of a computer? Well, there's the syntax of the computer, or the language, and there's the semantics. The syntax of the language is a set of rules for the programming language. The semantics is concerned with what the program does. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see in the next one. Later.